Hi everyone, it's Jeet here this side. Hope you are doing good. Welcome back again to another learning video. In this video, I will show you some important commands to display system information in your Linux system. So let's jump right into the terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T. So we are in the terminal. I just deactivate my conda environment. Now let's type a command uname minus of a. This basically displays your system's information, the generic version, the compatibility, 64-bit, all sort of information of your system. There is one important command. You know, type uname minus of r. It will display your kernel version. What does kernel mean? Kernel is like the heart of a system. It interacts with the hardware and displays some processes or information based on user input or application processes. So basically it interacts our systems with the hardware to fetch information, processes, etc. There is one important command also. I think I've shown you in the previous video. I'll show it again. View your Linux version. Just press etc os release. Also, the Ubuntu version, that is 22.04.2, it is the latest version and it is a long-term support. Code name as Jammy. It is the URL for the website and policies. Now, moving on to the next command. What is my host name? I think I have shown you in the previous video. My host name is this, Ubuntu. How can I verify? Just type host name, Ubuntu. What is this part? This is basically the user when we create a machine. How we can verify? Just type who am I. So this is the user. If you want to see some local IP address in your system, you can just type hostname -fi. It will show you IP address of your Linux system. This is the IP address by Minikube, and this one is IP address by Docker container. Correct? Now, if you want to display the date and time, you can just type date to display the information. Suppose you want to see the calendar, just type ncal. Will display the calendar along with the date. Earlier you could use cal to display, but with the latest version you have to install ncal to display the information. Hope this is informative to you, and do mention down in the comments below if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.